applause for all the speakers and the The theme of the day is persuasion is the first step towards inspiration. I truly agree with it because when one person persuades, the other gets inspired. That's why we come here every Friday to communicate, to learn from each other, get persuaded, to persuade, inspire and to get inspired. So I think really great team. Please give a big round of applause for the BPS, for the team. I arrived at 6 p.m. There were members and people who were helping in arranging the chairs, which was really good to make the meeting really successful. And we arranged everything because the Sergeant at Arms couldn't come. So we had to arrange everything to make the meeting happen. But the electricity went on and off, but still we managed to run everything smoothly, so which was really great. And due to heavy rains, I was afraid that very less people would turn up, but still we have really good amounts, so please give a round of applause for that. One suggestion, at the beginning of the meeting, the Master of Ceremony or the Sergeant at Arms could have requested everyone to come forward because many seats are occupied and not occupied, so people could have occupied the front seats, right? And then we had the acting Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Nandan. Yeah. So he came to know about his role on the spot, so he did everything, which was really great. He started with a question, which was a plus point for him, and he stated all the rules and regulations clearly, which was really good. Very well done, Toastmaster Nandan. Please give a big round. He then introduces our distinguished Toastmaster President Rajdeep Manwani. Like always, he made the guests comfortable and the whole club clapped for them, which made them really happy and comfortable and made them feel at home, which was really great. He then called the Secretary, Toastmaster Mohammed, who also performed well and narrated all the minutes of the meeting. Really great job done, Toastmaster Mohammed. One thing, when the President asked, are the minutes of the meeting in order, only then clap. It has been done through the meetings, but today it was the audience clapped before actually the minutes were in order. So I think it should be synchronized and only in the end the audience should clap. So next time we will make that happen. Then President Rajdeep talked about John F. Kennedy, his persuasion tricks. He talked about NASA, how he formed NASA. He talked about Lokmanya Tilak, his saying, Swaraj is my birthright. Martin Luther King, I have a dream. He also talked about his friend Ashwin. He gave a personal touch to his speech, how he was a sales representative and how he believed that conviction drives persuasion. I think more emphasis could have been given to the inspiration side also, because the theme focuses on persuasion is the first step to inspiration. So I think, yeah, that could have been done, but otherwise a really brilliant speech as always. Please a big round of applause for our We then had the MC, Toastmaster Ratan Shetty, ruling the stage. He talked about how movies inspire him, Tare Zameen Par and other movies, and he also talked about his inspiration, how he got through the movies he has watched. I think more could have been talked about the theme, because you talked about the theme for about 2 minutes and then you started talking about how Toastmasters was founded and how the meetings procedures go on. So you could have talked more about the theme to help the audience get an idea, right? And another thing, the club has 292,000 members, right? And my introduction was really good, and otherwise a really good voice. And yeah, when you were introducing Toastmaster Mohammed, you first introduced him and then let the evaluator speak. So that could have been first you could have told the evaluator to read the guidelines and then you did with the other speakers, but maybe this speaker you forgot. So right, but otherwise a really good speech, a really nice MC. Please give it up for Toastmaster. I liked how when Toastmaster Joseph Das asked who has been obese, and few people raised their hands, including me, and Vijay Anand was laughing because he was not obese. And laughing at other people, right? I like that a lot, okay? And we had a break for exactly 10 minutes. Well done timer, really good. And then we had the table topics contest. Payal, table topic master Payal. You came to know about your role just when the meeting began, right? Because another educational session got cancelled. Really, very brilliant job. It was on the spot, really relevant topics, and everyone could talk about it. So really great, and nice quote at the end. If you don't ask for it, you don't get it. Really nice. Please give a big round of applause. Yeah, another suggestion that the members and the guests should come in formals, because I see a lot of people coming in informal. So that's people should wear formal, right? That's another thing. And overall, really good meeting, and with all the operations running smoothly. May I request my assignees to kindly present their report, our counter report, please. Toastmaster Nikhil.
Thank you, Janita. To begin with, Mohammed, as secretary, and also when he gave his speech, had 1 arm and 2 short pauses. JD had 1 short pause. Nandan used a repetition. Otherwise, he was flawless. All the other speakers were flawless. Coming to table topics, Karnakar had 1 arm. Abu Bakr, 1 short pause. Shravan and Nisha, 2 bars. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil. May I have the Dramatian report by Mahavi, please?
Not so good usages. Block boy can be black boy. Dating to his girlfriend can be dating his girlfriend. Marijuana can be marijuana. Then the lifestyle of my classmates. We will not allow difficulties to destroy our dreams. Beauty seat. Health is wealth. Trials and tribulations. Passionate, compassionate, dispassionate. Health of a country is on the downhill. Frightening, threatening, nervous, and jeopardy. Fit as a fiddle to perform at our peak. Eat what you don't think, what you don't like, and drink what you don't like. Health is a crown on healthy man's head, which only sick can see. Prevent and prepare rather than repent and repair. Instead of doesn't have iota of knowledge can be don't have the iota of knowledge. Ability to carry on our daily task without undue fatigue, good usage. Exercise the poor man's plastic surgery, very good usage. Take the bull by its horse. Okay, take the bull by his horse. Inspiration, perspiration, and respiration. Thank you.
Toastmaster Mahavi, may I have the timer report by Sahil?
Good evening, Toastmasters, once again. Good evening. My report is as follows. Sergeant at Arms Chandan took 1 minute 20 seconds. Our Secretary Mohammed Mujassim took 1 minute 52 seconds. Our President Dr. Rajiv took 6 minutes 50 seconds. Our MC Ratan Shetty so far has taken 7 minutes. Our General Evaluator Bhavna Jha has taken 8 minutes 17 seconds thus far. Coming to speakers, the first speaker Mohammed was well within time. Joseph Das and Vaidyanathan overshot by 4 minutes and 2 minutes respectively. Table topic B had a break of 10 minutes. Table topic Master Pal took 2 minutes. Coming to table topic speakers, all the table topic speakers were well within time, except for Nandan and Karunakar and Vijayanand who shot up by 15 seconds. The evaluators, first evaluator Varun Dev took 1 minute 45 seconds to give his evaluation. Godfrey Sones took 3 minutes 30 seconds and Avinash took 4 minutes 45 seconds. Thank you.
Was a short and crisp evaluation. Please give it up for all the assignees, accountant, and lastly, I would like to thank the club, especially our VP and Toastmaster Avinash for giving me this opportunity, and all the members and guests to help me with this role. Thank you so much. Over to them.
Thank you, Toastmaster Bhavna. And we are all set for the meeting to end right on time. And a big thank you to all the speakers and all the evaluators for taking care of the time limit. And before I hand over to the President, I would like to thank the committee for this opportunity, especially the President and VP Education. And what do we give to all the speakers and all the role takers for this? Before I hand over to the President, our area governor who's here would like to make an announcement. I would like to hand over to Toastmaster Bhavna.
Good evening, Toastmasters, once again.